We're in a 97 Subaru Legacy Outback, and we're going to change this steering wheel with, well, we're going to attempt to see if this steering wheel will work. I believe this is from a 2007, 2006 Subaru Impreza. I picked it up at the local junkyard for 50 bucks, and this one looks a little bit outdated. I really like the look of this one, so we're going to see if we can make it fit. So stick around. Okay, so I took off the airbag from the original steering wheel, and the only difference that I see is the steering wheel. When you cover the airbag, when you hit it, that makes the horn go. And this is the horn cable, and this one is the new airbag, and I'm guessing this green connector is the horn cable. So I'm going to splice that one into the horn cable for the original system, or I don't know, we're going to see how we're going to rig it. So just stick around.